Hello everyone, I'm getting ready to do a Valentine share, and this is my favorite die. Hello everyone, I have a Valentine project share, and I use this die quite a bit, so I'm just going to share that with you up front. This is my favorite die this year for Valentine's, and of course you can use it all year round, of course, but I've been having a lot of fun with this die. As you can see, I cut them out. Look at how cute this is with the heart in the middle. Just love it. Okay, so a while ago, I think back in December, I think the end of December, I shared this cute little favor box with the fringe on the ends here, and I love this little box. So I thought I would just share that really quickly in case somebody missed that one. I'll start with the boxes, and this is one of the boxes that I made, and it's I used a Sizzix die, and then this is a Dear Lizzie die, I believe, and then this is a felt heart and a foam heart with a sticker at the top. Then it says adore, the little flag there. Added some of this pretty trim, so there's that one. And then this one, again, this is using an alley die. It says we're all mad here, and if you can see the outline of the white rabbit right there. I added some hearts, as you can see, 3 little hearts. And then these are just some scribbles. On the end, I added some of the filler paper. And then behind is the trim again. And then this is the Sizzix gable box, is what it's called. It says we're all mad here. And then on the back, I typed this up on my computer. It says I'm mad about you, happy Valentine's Day, and then added a little heart there. And then I have a couple little tags that I made. This is a little bow with a little heart. These are some embellishments from last year from Michael's, and then I added a little heart there. And I thought these would be fun to just stick on a box or a bag, a little paper clip. And then there's this one, pretty much the same thing. I just added a little clip here, paper airplane, and then behind has another die. So that can also just clip on. This is just a little test tube holder. I'm not sure if you can see. It's kind of how I made it. I just designed it to fit the 3 little test tubes and thought it was really fun. Inside has some pink beads. These are some flower sequins and pink sequins, and the little flower sequins I got from Cartwright Sequins. They look like that. And they're really, really cute, so I just added those inside one of the tubes there. It says Bliss, and then some embellishments behind, a bow here at the top. And then this is that wonderful die that I love, the lips with a little heart. This is a paper clip on there. And then on the bottom, some more embellishments. It says Cherish. So really, really fun. And this could be for any holiday or just to give to a crafty friend, of course. So really, really fun. And then this is really simple. I just added the lips on a straw and added a little sticker. And you could add some paper between the lips so that, like, you know, pink or something, so there's something there, but I didn't this time. And then just some embellishments that I threw together. I just used a little die cut here. Added some more filler paper, and then a bow, and a little gemstone in the center. So this is just a little embellishment that I created to put on any kind of package. It has some filler paper on the end, and then I just added a couple of accent pieces with the heart, and then the sticker in the center. This one is really simple as well. I just used a die cut piece, added some filler paper, And then I cut a straw on kind of diagonal on both ends, and then put a heart in the center, and that can just go on a tag or card or just something fun for a little embellishment to include. I did kind of the same thing here. Used a die cut, some more filler paper, and the cute straw with the heart in the center with the bow, and I like the way that one turned out as well. This one is a bow that I put together. I added some more of the filler paper, a little heart here in the background. This is a foam heart with an arrow, and then a couple more hearts there. And then just added some crepe paper to fringe up the ends here, just a little bit. And then again using the lips die, says you rock, and hot stuff here on the bottom. This is a little bag that says XO. Then if you unclip it, you can fill it with a gift card or some goodies. There's that. And then here's some boxes that I made, and this is also using a Sizzix die, and I put the lips right here at the opening, and then it opens up and it says be mine with another heart. And then I added some scallops here as well as on the inner flap. And here at the top, as you can see, the lips. Sorry if there was a glare. I added some of the hearts just kind of around. Those hearts I got last year, and they are from Spritz at Target. I added a bow with a little heart in the center, and this says kisses, a little accent piece there. And then this is a scallop die that I put behind. So there's that box. Here is a small little box, and this box I made from a Stampin' Up! Die. It's Kiss, the little embellishment sticker there on the heart. It also has the lips with another heart right here, which I kind of got from this idea when I cut it out. I like that. Then here's a little bow with the heart and then a gold heart behind. So it's a little box. And here is another box with the lips on there and some more of those stickers. This one says XOXO with another bow gem in the center and then a heart behind. So really cute. And this one just has the XOXO inside. I didn't do anything inside it really. And then this one I just put a bow on here. This is a from the Target Dollar Spot last year. It says XOXO and then another XO at the bottom. And I used a Valentine's, I think it's Happy Valentine's Day paper. I think that's the name of it as well, from Michael's last year. And that's what I use for all my projects, in case I didn't mention that before. So there's that one, and I like it because the paper is kind of glittery, so it matches the XO. And there's a little sticker right there as well. And then here's a few tags that I made with the lips. Again, it says Cutie Pie, and this is just some washi that I used for the border. Just added some of the heart stickers. I was going to emboss the tags, but I couldn't find my embossing folders. So this is just some trim that I purchased quite a few years ago from Martha Stewart, when this is the glitter eyelash, when it was on clearance. So there's that one. And then here's this one with that eyelash trim, some of the filler paper, a bow that says I'm yours, those lips. I also included the straw, but then on the ends I added two little hearts. And after I did this, I thought you could also make this into an arrow, and that would be a fun straw to use as well. Put an arrow in there. And then I used some washi tape here. This is from my scallop die, and it says sweet with some fun stickers. And I like putting a little heart somewhere on the lips. This one's foiled, so really fun. And then this one, I popped up the lips in glitter, and it says smitten, and then Devoted with some of the hearts. I did pretty much the same thing up here, but I just added this little accent here in black. And pretty much everything else is the same. Oh, and then I added a foam heart there as well. So there's the trim at the top. So there's that one. And then I did do a couple bag toppers. So this is a bag topper, and again, this is a Sizzix die. Added a bow, and then there's another little bow on top of the larger bow. Added some of the filler paper, some foam hearts, and this little accent heart here. And it says, "Be mine." So really fun. And then this one, says love. And I got this die from Michael's. I don't remember, I think it's by Recollections, but I'm not 100% sure. And then I added a heart, and then this bow with a little gem inside, and then some of the filler paper. And then last I have this little bag topper. It says True Love. It has a bow, and then the foiled lips with a heart. And this one I actually made from 2 different dies, and I'm going to show you that real quickly. I'm not going to do a tutorial, I'm just going to kind of show you how I did it. So if you want to make one, you can. And I kind of thought of this idea when I was die cutting these out. And I don't know if anyone else has shared this, but I thought I would just share with you really quickly, because you can use any dies, any shape dies that you have, like from Spellbinders, Sizzix, whichever, and you can make all different kinds of bag toppers. So I'm going to show you that real quickly. And there's the back. And this I did cut out just using a circle die. Okay, and then I added the scallop to the bottom, and then also up here. Then this tag that says True Love is from an ephemera pack from Michael's from about 2 years ago, I believe. So let me share with you real quickly how to make this. Take a paper to your desired size that you want. You just fold it in half, like so. Okay. It will work for any nesting die. So right now I just have these out using them, so that's what I use this one for. So whatever nesting dies you have, use 2 of them, like so. I tape them down and I run it through my big shot. And you only want to go halfway. You don't cut it through all the way. You only cut it halfway. Okay? So you cut it halfway. Okay? And it will look like this when you're done. You don't need, you don't need quite that much at the top. So I did it when I centered it. See, I didn't quite even center the dies. I put them down a little bit more, so there's more die on the bottom than there is at the top, because I wanted a shorter handle instead of a long handle like that. So as you can see, the dies are lowered a little bit. That's it. You just die cut just to the line. And that's how I made this. And then these I just kind of fold down a little bit more, like so. Okay. That's what I did here. And I like the way it turned out. I mean, if you don't have a lot of bag toppers and you want to do different bag toppers, this is a great way to get a variety of bag toppers for whatever occasion you're looking for. I don't have a lot of bag toppers right now myself, so this was kind of something fun that I'm going to enjoy doing in the future, as well as using, my regular dies, but I don't have a lot, so this is kind of fun to figure out sooner rather than later. And now I have a bag topper that I can use from just using this method here. So I hope this helps someone out. I hope you enjoyed my Valentine share, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!